IIoT solutions like Natilian Health promise you a lot of great features. But maybe you ask yourself, how does that affect the work in my plant? To better showcase that, we prepared here an example to better differentiate between work without an IIoT solution and work with an IIoT solution, showcased by our two technicians, Axel and Michael. Axel is part of the maintenance team of a plant in the process industry where they use mainly hard devices connected to a PLC system. He is now receiving a call from the operating room where they tell him that they spotted an issue with a temperature transmitter somewhere in the plant and ask him to go there and fix the problem so they can continue running their process. So he equips himself with a helmet and also takes his field expert and his service modem with him to be able to work on the device. Arriving at the instrument in the plant, Axel has to open the casing of the instrument first to get access to the service part of it and to be able to connect with his field expert. He can now plug in the modem on one side to the field expert and on the other side to the service port of the instrument. Now he can use his field expert to connect to the device and take a look at what's going on. Using the automatic connection, he can connect directly to the field device, which is connected to the modem. He can now take a look at the current values of this temperature transmitter and as well the status according to Namur and E107. By going to diagnostics, he can see that there is currently a failure status at the device, and to resolve it he has to check the electrical connection or replace the sensor and check the connection type. As he can't see anything wrong with the connection, Axel decides on replacing the whole sensor. To do so, he has to take the sensor out of the whole process. Until Axel finds and installs a replacement sensor, the process has to be kept on hold. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have Michael, who is also part of a maintenance team in the process industry. They also have a lot of hard instrumentation, but use Natilian Health as well to help with their work. Michael is now checking his health dashboard for anything new, and he can see directly that there is a problem with one device, which needs maintenance according to Namur and E107. He can see directly what the issue is and what he has to do to fix it. So he sets off now into the field. With the help of the tag system in Natilian, he finds the device easily in the field and is then able to check on the sensor. So he is opening the casing of the device and takes a look at the sensor inside. As this is a maintenance required status, the problem is easy to fix and he can do it directly in the field. Without this maintenance work taking place, the device could have later on easily switched into a failure status and would require replacement. But like this, it was easily resolved and we can resume the process. Arriving back at his workstation, Michael checks one more time the Natilian Health dashboard on his mobile phone and can see that everything is okay. He can now focus again on other work tasks and enjoy his coffee.
So to quickly summarize what you just saw, Axel, who is working without an IIoT solution, has to rely on information given to him by the control room. He also, in general, works more reactively than preactively. Michael, on the other hand, uses Natilion Health and has access to his own Natilion Health dashboard. He can see directly each day if there are devices which require maintenance, and by that is able to prevent them from ever going into a failure status in the first place. So by that, you can reduce your plant downtime. Maybe this example also gives you some ideas where you can use Natilion Health to also improve your daily working routines.